Good evening, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 2, step up to grade 5, which is compare decimal. Compare decimal. Today we are going to learn how to compare between two decimals. First, let's revise what we studied in the previous lesson. As I told you before, this point is called decimal point. This point is called decimal point. Decimal point. Decimal point. The first number or the first digit to the right of the decimal point is 10. After tenth, hundredth. After hundred, thousands. And the first number to the left of the decimal point is ones. So again, decimal point, tenth, hundred, thousands. Decimal point, tenth, hundred, thousand. And to the left is ones. Let's start our lesson, and it's very easy lesson. Write greater, smaller, or equal for each circle. Here, 2.345, 3.509. Step number 1, you have to make a scale. Scale. What's the meaning of scale? Scale, you have to check the decimal digits. How many digits in the decimal here? 1, 2, 3. And the other number, how many digits in the decimal? Also 1, 2, 3. So the scale is correct. Now let's compare from the left hand side. 2, 3, which is bigger? Yes, 3 is bigger. Again, 7.317, 7.203. Check the decimal point first. Check the scale. The scale. How many digits in the decimal here? 1, 2, 3. Just the decimal digits. Don't count the whole number. How many digits in the decimal part here? Also 1, 2, 3. So let's compare. 7, 7, no bigger. 3, 2, 3 is bigger. Order the decimal from least to greatest. By the same way, you have to make scale. The scale is very important. Here, 4.540, 4.631, 4.625. The scale is correct because here we have 3 digits and also 3 digits here and also 3 digits here, 1, 2, 3. Let's order from least, the smallest here, 4.540 or 4.631 or 625. Yes, 4.540. After that, 4.625. After that, 4.631. The next one, you have to check the scale first. 0.575, 1.429. 3 digits in the decimal here and 3 digits in the decimal here. 1.35. Here we have only 2 digits in the decimal. So you have to put 0, no problem, to the right. So it will be 1.350 now. 0.593. Now let's order. 0.575 and 0.593. Which is the smallest? 575. After that, then the other 0, which is 0.593. Now we have 1.429, 1.350. So the smallest in 1.350 and the last one 1.429. So the scale is very, very, very important. Here, question number one. Scientists measured a Madeira cockroach and found it to be 3.44 centimeters long. Toby says that Madeira is shorter than the Oriental because 3.44 has fewer digits than 3.438. Let's check. Right here, 3.44 and 3.438. As I told you before, the scale is very important. So how many digits in the decimal here? Just 2. And how many digits in the decimal here? 1, 2, 3. So you have to put 0 here. Now let's compare 3.440 or 3.438. Yes, 440 is bigger. So Toby is wrong. He is wrong because the scale is very important. He or Toby is wrong. So again, the scale is very important. Let's move to another exercise and don't forget the scale please. 3 digits in the decimal here, 2 digits in the decimal. So put 1 0 first. Now 0.790, 0.790. They are equal. The scale count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 5.783, 4.690. So 5 point is bigger. The scale here, we have 3 digits in the decimal, also 3 digits in the decimal. 6.717, 6.780. 6.718 is bigger. The next one, order the decimal from greatest to least. 606,314, 606.219, 616.208. Let's check the scale first. 3 digits in the decimal, 3 digits in the decimal, 3 digits in the decimal. So the scale is correct. Now let's order from greatest. 606, 606, 616. So 616 is bigger. After that, 606.314 or 0.219, yes, 0.314. So 606.314. And the last digit is 606.219. Here, 234.639, 219.646, 234.630. The scale is very important. 3 digits in the decimal, 3 digits in the decimal, 3 digits in the decimal. Now let's compare. 234, 219, 234. The biggest is 234, one of these two numbers. 639 or 630, yes, 639. So 234.639. After that, 234.630. After that, the last digit is 219.646. Number 12. Crystal wrote three numbers between 0.63 and 0.64. What number could Crystal have written? Here, between 63 and 64, there is no digits. There is no digits between them. So we have to put 0 here to make them bigger and put also 0 here. Now the new numbers are 630, 640. Now we have a numbers between them, like 0.631, no problem. Maybe 0.632 also. 0.635, 0.638. Between 630 and 640, we have 10 digits. Here, write an equivalent decimal for each given decimal. As I told you before, we can add 0 to the decimal, to the right of the decimal point, or we can cancel 0. So here we can add 0 to this number. It will be like that, 0.850. And here we can add 0 to the right of the decimal like that, 1.60. Add also 0, no problem, 2.070. Here also add 0, 1.020. Is 0.6 greater than or less than 7 over 10? First, we need to change 7 over 10 into decimal. If you change 7 over 10 into decimal, 7 over 10 means 7 tenths. 7 tenths, 7 in tenth. So there is a decimal point. The tenth will be here. So write 7 in tenth. And there is no whole, so it will be 0.7. So 7 tenths, 7 in tenth. And the other one is 0.6, 6 tenths. Which is bigger? Yes, 7 tenths is bigger. Number 17 here. A grain of fine sand can have a diameter of 0.120 millimeters. Which number is less than 0.120? First, you have to make a scale. 0.20 and 0.1. You have to add 2 zeros here because we have 3 digits in the decimal here, and also we need 3 digits here. Which is smaller, 120 or 0.100? 0.100. So which number is or less than? I need the number to be less than. Less than, so this number is right. Because 0.100 less than. Here, put 10 also. 0.100 is less than 0.120. Yes. 0.121 less than 0.120. No. The next one. 0.122 less than 0.120. No. 0.126 less than 0.120. No. So what next? Cara weighed some oranges at the grocery store. The oranges weighed 4.16 pounds. Which number greater than 4.16? Let's check. 4.15 greater than 4.16? No. So it's X. 4.19 greater than 4.16? Yes. Check right. Here we need scale first because we have 2 digits and only here 1 digit in the decimal. 4.20 more than 4.16? Yes, put right. 4.24 more than 4.16? Yes, put right. 4.26 more than 4.16. Yes, we'll try. So all of these four numbers are right. We finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. Don't forget your online assignment. Have a nice day. Thank you.